Hello, today's topic is going to be starting a new business. Now, there's several things to consider when you talk about starting a new business. One of the things that you need to do before anything else is to get a federal ID number. And when you apply for a federal ID number, one of the questions they are going to ask you is, what type of business are you? Are you a sole proprietor, a corporation, a partnership, nonprofit organization, or something that I can't think of? The other thing that you need to be aware of is how the taxes are reported under these different scenarios. Most likely you're going to have some form of Social Security Medicare tax. A sole proprietor pays it through self-employment tax, but a corporation pays it through employment taxes, and it is one half of it's withheld from the employee. Even the owner is considered an employee in a corporation, and so taxes are withheld from the employer's wages. Another thing that you need to decide on is how you're going to keep your records. There are various record-keeping software programs, and the IRS does not prescribe how you keep your records, but it's always a good idea to understand the system and understand what is happening within the software if you're going to do your own accounting. Too often people start out without knowing accounting, thinking that the software is going to make the decisions for them. Well, that couldn't be further from the truth. We spend probably as much time fixing people's own accounting as we would as if we had done it. So record keeping is a very important aspect of starting a new business. There are tax reasons for record keeping. There are management decisions that are based on the records that you keep, and future decisions will be based on the records you keep. You evaluate the decisions that you've made by measuring the results of those decisions, and that is done through the financial statements. Financial statements being the balance sheet, the profit and loss statement, and the cash flow statement. Another item that ties in with the bookkeeping is the method of bookkeeping. There is a cash accounting and there is accrual accounting, and sometimes a little bit of a hybrid. But cash accounting is when you record the income when you receive it, and you record the expenses when they are paid. Accrual, on the other hand, records income when you have performed all the duties necessary which entitled you to be paid. And on the expense side, it is the expenses are recorded when you have received the benefit or received the product or services for which you have incurred an obligation. So that's paid, that's recognized at the time that those events take place. We'll spend next time talking about the different types of entities and what makes them unique from each other. Until then, have a profitable day, week, and year. Thank you.